Hello future web developers, welcome back to IMS Coding. Imagine the internet without images, videos and audio. It sounds like sweet without sugar. These elements make a website more interactive, engaging and usable. In HTML, we have specific tags for handling images, videos and audio. Let's explore them in Visual Studio Code. Here I am creating a new file named imagesvideoaudio.html. Let's set up the basic HTML syntax by typing doc. Now in the body, I am creating a div for image. HTML has a tag called img to embed images on our page. It's a self-closing tag and doesn't require an end tag. Img tag has a very important attribute called src, means source, where we provide the path to the image. Let's grab an image from unsplash.com and select an image of your choice. Then right click on image and copy the image address. After that, add this image address to our source attribute. Here you are seeing one more attribute called alt. Alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it. I am setting it to sky image. Now let's view this in the browser. Right click and open this page in live server. There you go. Our image is displayed. You can see the image size is very big. Let's decrease the image size. To adjust its size, we can use the width and height attributes. I am setting the width to 400 pixels. Back in the browser, the size is decreased. Now let's increase the height to 800 pixels. Remember, using both width and height may spoil the aspect ratio. Now let's move on to the video tag. The video tag is used to embed videos on our web page, just like YouTube or Instagram. Here I am creating a new div for the video. The video tag also has the src attribute. Now in my working folder, I have a sample video. Let's add this video here. In src, type the path of the video. Because I am in my working folder, here I am typing the name of my video file. Let's see this in the browser. You can see the video, but it's not playing. Let's add the autoplay attribute to make it play automatically when the page loads. And also add the controls attribute. It will give us the controls like play and pause, forward and backward. We can also use width and height tag here. I am setting the width to 600 pixels. Back in the browser, the video is playing and now we have controls. Now it's time for the audio tag. Audio tag is used to add audio to our website like Spotify or Ghana. Let's code it. Type audio here and it also has the src attribute. For the source, I am setting it to a sample audio file named sample.mp3 which is available in my working folder, and add controls attribute to it. Get back to the browser. You can see the audio tag here. We have all the controls. Let's play it. There is much more to learn about multimedia. Explore on Google, it's a mini task for you. We will dive deeper into it in our upcoming videos. If you want the source code, check it out in the description below. I hope you understood this video. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS beginner's guide course. Save this playlist. I hope you're enjoying this course. Like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.